Hello, everyone. Welcome to another exciting video on Zoom. Alright, now this tutorial we've talked about new meeting, join, schedule, share screen, chats, meetings, contact. Oh my, we've actually worked on everything. Alright, search. This is for you to just search something you want to search. Let's say I want to search for my contact. This is the essence of that. I have just one contact. So teachers, you can make sure you have a lot of parents. This will allow you to do parent-teacher conferencing, one-on-one conferencing with some parents. So you can search for a particular parent in your contact. You will find that parent there. So that is how the search works. We've talked about this. Oh my, we've done a great job so far, teachers. Done. Now, this part here, we're going to go to new meeting because we want to talk about still share screen. The last video was about sharing screen, but the whiteboard. But this time around, I just want to share screen from another source, not from whiteboard. So I'm going to click on new meeting now. Yeah, we're live. Hello. Yeah, we're live. Connecting as usual. All right. So all these things you can do it even without chatting with someone. So with Zoom you can do it without chatting with someone. You're just working, creating a video of yourself. Now you notice that this is counting. Remember why it is counting, right? It's because it's in settings. Where we went to settings. In the settings, the general settings, look at it, show my connected time. Can you still remember that, teachers? All right, so this allows it, since I've not changed it since that time, it's always there. All right, good. So this can allow you to time yourself as a teacher to say, oh, at this time, I think within 20 minutes, my lesson should be within 20 minutes and the likes. So actually you can start recording your lesson immediately. All right, if you want to create a lesson for your kids in which you want to post now to Edmodo, so you can record it right here. So I'm going to click on record for the purpose of this lesson so that as a teacher you can actually start recording your lesson. Let's say you start, hi kids, this is Mr. Shegun right here. I'm excited to see you today. Well done guys, yesterday we had a great time, or last week we had a great time. This time around we want to look at this particular concept in our lesson. Alright. So you get the drill, teachers. So anyway, now we're going to share screen. Now look at this in the security part right here. If you click right here, see, allow participants to share screen. You can see it's checked. So that's, remember the last lesson when we were sharing our screen, that we could clear, or we could clear my works, you could clear your works, you could clear the one for the participants. So this allows other participants also to write something on your screen. All right, okay, so that's that. Now share screen, let's go to the lesson of today. Share screen. Now in this share screen right now, the last one we worked on whiteboard. Let me see advanced. What does advanced do? Okay, advanced, you can clip a portion of your screen. Yeah, you can clip a portion of your screen. So for instance, if I click on it right now and I say share, so you can see, so I'm actually sharing this portion of my screen. I can move that shared portion of my screen. All right, but it says your screen sharing is paused. Now why is it paused? Oh, okay, while I'm moving it, it is paused. Oh, good. While I'm moving it, it is paused. But while I'm done, I'm fixed to where I want it to be. Once I fix it to where I want it to be, it has resumed. All right, so that's how you can share this. Let's go to new share. Let's hover it around the new share again. Okay, new share, you can music or computer sound only. I don't want to go into that. Content from second camera. That's probably, maybe you have a look at it right now. Can you see something like if you have an external webcam, an external camera, maybe some of us can have a camcorder where we've inserted into our system and want to show them something from that external camcorder, something like that. If you don't know what it is, you can click on this too. ask questions. You can see e.g. document camera. So maybe like a camcorder that you've installed, something like it. Just explore it. Files, if you want to share from a file, if you want to share from your Dropbox, from your OneDrive, from your Google Drive, and from your Box. All these are clouds. Okay, clouds made by different companies. So you can share from your Google Drive, from your Box, from your Drive, and then from your Dropbox. So let's go back to our basic. Now our basic right here, I want to share a screen. For instance, I want to share this worksheet. And then, so teachers right now, if you want to share a particular item that is not whiteboard, it's best for you to have opened it down. Open it down before the lesson. Open it down before the lesson. And then minimize it. Probably just open it down and minimize it. You understand? Or just open it down. Once you open it down, so once you come here right now, because I've opened this down and I've minimized it, it's right here. So I can then click on share. So it comes alive. Can you see that now? So I can actually share this. So as a teacher right now, let's say I'm maybe year 1, I'm trying to teach them some types of shapes, flat shapes, and then I can come over here. Now, remember for whiteboard, the options came down here. You can see the whiteboard tools somewhere here. Can you still remember that? But for this one right now, we have to use the annotate. All right, the annotate right here. That's what we have to use. So we click on annotate right here, then it appears. All right, if you do not click on that, it will not appear. So it's the same tools. It's the same tools as the one we used in the whiteboard. It's the same tools. All right, the same spotlight, the same eraser, the same format, everything is the same tools. All right, so maybe as a teacher you're trying to teach the children something, you can say, Jack, can you still remember this shape? What is this shape called, Jack? So probably Jack is there. Jack is saying, oh, Mr. Shegun, this shape is a right angle triangle. Oh, fantastic, Jack, well done. So you know, something like that. You can erase it to go away. Just explore it as teachers. All right, so like this now, you can share your screens well. Maybe even if it's a worksheet. Maybe for instance you've shared a worksheet and beside it, maybe it's an English worksheet and you've shared it, beside the answer you could click inside and then type the answer. Just type in something, maybe like this shape right now. I can just say maybe this shape is called a rectangle. All right, as well also shrink what you've done. All right, so look at it right, I can put the answer right here. Now you can tell your students, all right, I want James to give me the answer. You can say, I want James to give me the answer for this shape. What's the name of this shape? So this is how to share screen with your worksheet. So as teachers right now, you can explain a worksheet. Okay, you can explain a worksheet. So you can explain a worksheet even before you post it on Edmodo. So the kids, you've created a video. This video right now, remember we're recording it, right? So this video right now, look at the record symbol. This symbol right here is the record symbol. So we are recording it right now. So you can record your video and share it on Edmodo. Okay? Now it's just as simple as that. Now select, as usual, you can only select the items. You cannot select the item on the, it's not working, so don't bother about it. So mouse is just not that. Stamp, you can stamp. You can say, okay, I want Felix to come over here and tell me this shape, how many sides does this shape have, you know, things like that. So teachers just explore. It's almost similar to the whiteboard, but just that this one now allows you to explain your worksheet. So once you're done, actually you can, as at the same time as I've said before, you can save this worksheet. if you want to save this worksheet, or you can clear all drawings before you save it, or you can save it without clearing it. But since as a teacher you've worked on that worksheet, you've explained some things, you've jotted some things down, so I think it's best to just save it. All right, you can just save it. So when we go back here now, I can remove my annotate away from here. As usual, we can still chat with them. If I click on chat right now, you can still chat with everyone. Okay, you can chat with the person. Just type in something, hi, maybe something like that, hi, and then you attach a file. You can attach a file. Yeah, let's say I'm just gonna attach. You can attach a file. All right, so that's that, and then you can close your chat. Maybe this is what you've done. You can close your chat when you chatted them out. You've chatted your kids up, so you can close your chat. All right, so you close your chat, and then you're good to go. What else? That's all. All right, that's all. So you can actually show name of annotators. So for instance, let's say Jack as annotated, then you can click on this. It shows the name of the person annotating at that point in time. You can then hide the names. This allows you as a teacher to know those kids that are actually responding to your prompts. All right, so that is that. You can stop your recording from here directly. You can disable participants from annotating. All right, you can do all of that. You can even hide your video panel, which I wouldn't advise us to do. So basically you are good to go. You are just good to go. That's all. That is all. So this video is not too long. All right, at the same time you can manage your participants. Maybe some kids are still kind of talking. You can mute a particular child. Remember I said that you're going to see your participants right here. You're going to mute, you can mute that child, or you can mute all for the meantime. Let's say this is a live session. Let's say this is not a recorded lesson that you just want to post on Edmodo. Let's say this is a live section. You can mute everybody. All right, so that is that for this muting. So we're good to go. We are very much good to go. You can dock this to the bottom if you prefer bottom. See, it's the same thing. This is just docking. So some of us might like it bottom, some of us might like it on top. Bottom and top. So it's all your prerogative. Then you can pause your screen, as we've said. You can resume your screen, and then at the end of it, once you are done, I think I've covered everything. To know how to use these tools, please go to the video on how to share screen using whiteboard tools. The link is below. Is the video before this video. It's the video I created before this video, so the link is below right now. You can just check out everything and enjoy yourself. You can undo, redo, see, undo, it goes away. Did you notice that? And then redo, it comes back. So like that. So I'm going to save this. It says screen saved and it's showing in a folder. I'm not going to click the folder yet. Alright, so right now I'm going to stop my share. And then right here we are live again with our kids. I can send my reactions to them, thumbs up. All right, I can. So this is just amazing. All right, I think in some devices, I've said the other time, some devices, it allows them to, once they click on more, there's a more option here. Once they click on more, it allows them to raise hands or lower their hands. But I think in some devices, maybe Android or iPhones or iPads, I think it allows them more. There's more here, then they can raise their hands and they can lower their hands. So you as a teacher, once they raise their hands, you can. I treated the video on that. So I'm not going to go much into that anymore to avoid repetition. Okay, teacher, so I'm going to just stop it. I'm stopping my recording. That's recording. I'm going to end the meeting, and I'm going to end the meeting for all. Alright, so as usual, you will notice that it always converts it. We did this in the other video, in the video before this video. It converts what you've recorded. Alright, so we wait for it. This is 1%, 2, and then we wait. Alright, it's so cool. How cool is that? This is 4, 5, I think. For the purpose of this, let me pause this. Alright, so it's almost done. I had to pause it because it's taking a lot of time to convert it. Alright, so once it's done converting, it's going to surely open up where it is saved. Alright, so as I said the other video, you can go to view and you can go to large icons to see it. So this is your video right now, and this is your screenshot. So once you save something, it saves it as a screenshot. Okay, we're waiting for it to come up, open. All right, this is it right here. So it saves it, even it saves my face. It saves everything. It's a screenshot. So that's how it saves everything. All right, good. So that is that then.